Hey, what's up guys, it's the Page, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the MiA1 latest official Pi update. And if you haven't received OTA, then you can follow this method and this is gonna work and you will gonna get MiA1 official Pi. And I'm also gonna do a quick review of this official Pi ROM. Now before proceed, if you haven't subscribe us and also hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. Now if it ended, let's get started. Now first of all, you have to remove your SIM card. Then download any VPN application on your device. For this video, I'm gonna use Turbo VPN. You can download any VPN, but make sure that your VPN provider support Netherlands servers. Now, once you download your VPN application, just go to your app info and do clear cache and clear data of all this app. Now, you have to do clear cache and clear data of Google app, Google Play services, Google Services Framework, and location services. So once you done that, just reboot your device, and once your device is rebooted, just connect your device with any good Wi-Fi network, and once you are connected, just open your VPN application and connect it with your Netherlands server. Now go to settings, go to about phone and check your update. You should get your update now. So once you get your update, just download and install it on your device and restart your device when it's finished. So once your device gets restart, here you will get MiA1 official Pi. But this update is not so satisfying. It's very disappointing update. Why? Let's see. So here you can see that their launcher is still old one and they haven't made any changes with their launcher, and this app drawer is still very laggy and it's not a liquid or but a smooth, and it's feel laggy in your hand. Xiaomi need to do something about it. Here you can see the notification panel with teal accent and it's just feel great in your hand. And if you talk about the settings menu, here you will get everything like pixel. Here you will get adaptive battery, and apart from that, if you talk about the animation under the settings menu, everything is just like Google Pixel. And apart from that, if you talk about the display, here you have dark theme, and which is very important and very necessary thing for me. Now there is no option for digital well-being. If you wanna get it, you have to go to Play Store, enroll in Vita, and just update your digital well-being. Now let's go to system and check what are the new options that we got here. Now under the gesture, here we got a pixel-like navigation bar, and if you turn it on, your hardware keys get disabled. The LED light under the button is not disabled, and that may be a bug, and Xiaomi need to fix it. So this is again a very disappointed thing. Now here you can see that MiA1 finally has Android 9, and that may be a last Android version update for this device. Because this device released with the Android Nougat, then it's come to Oreo 8.0, then 8.1, and finally now Android 9. So this may be a last update for this device. And here kernel version is 3.18, and it's very disappointed because the latest version may be a 4.9 or something, and here it's very disappointed again. So Xiaomi still need to do lots of upgrade for MiA1. But the good news is that this time we have this FM radio in Android 9. So this feature may be a very useful for some user. Now at last we'll talk about the camera. There's no single update for the camera. Nothing. They haven't added their new MiA1 camera on it. They haven't added any kind of AI mode in this camera, and still there is no front portrait mode. And again, there is no EIS enabled by default. And here the benchmark result from the NTTU, and here you can see that on your screen. So guys, that's it for this Pi update, and that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. And if you haven't followed me on my social media, then you can follow me on my social media. Link is in the description. And this is the Page signing out. Meet you soon in next video.